Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome back to another episode of Two Wheel Talks. Grab your popcorn, get some drinks, and enjoy the show.
Okay, can I go? Okay. My name's JD and I do their marketing.
And what would you say is the best part about working?
The best part would have to be the people. I think I've said it before, but I'm gonna say it again. Working with The best part would have to be the people. It's nice to work with people that love bikes like me. I love bikes. And it's also nice to just talk with random strangers about bikes. And I just love the people because you have a lot in common with them. That's basically it, yeah.
So you just enjoy conversating with the customers about
Exactly, yeah.
giving some advice on lots of things.
Yeah, I love it.
Awesome. And what would you say is the worst part about working in the bike industry?
The worst part would be not having a learner's or license. So I would be surrounded with like GXR 750s, CBR 1000s, but then I know I can't legally ride them. So yeah. No, I don't ride them illegally. No, I actually don't. No, I really don't ride them illegally. That's the worst part.
And what would you say on that note, what is your favorite bike in the shop? Or let's say, what bike are you most eager to ride or to get to?
Ooh, 185. Oh, I was about to say what? Definitely not an RM85. I think I wanna ride one of these 450s, the KX 450s. But I fell off a KX 85, an RM85, so I don't know. Maybe it's not the best idea.
As you guys can see, she's bandaged up and all sorts. So,
Yeah.
For the weekend. Alright, thank you, Jenny.
Sharp.
Passing on to the next one.
Yeah, boo.
I'm Tyler. As you all know me, I'm the senior salesman here.
Alright, Tyler, what would you say is the best part about working in the bike industry?
Worst part.
Best part.
Best part is test riding different bikes,
So you enjoy riding all the different
Yeah,
bikes?
for sure, yeah.
Awesome. What would you say is the favorite bike that you've ridden here so far?
Unfortunately, it's sold, but we had a CBR 1000 wrapped Castrol. That was my most favorite.
Awesome. And what would you say is the worst part about working in the bike industry?
Worst part, it's difficult. The stress, doing deals as I'm in the sales. So yeah, that's basically the worst part.
Would you say like trying to pressure the client into the deal or?
Yeah. You try to close the deal, but you get started right.
Awesome. Great. Thanks, Tyler. We'll catch you in the next one.
Well, my name is Maniki. I am a salesman and part of the marketing team.
Now guys, I must mention Maniki is new to the team. So he hasn't been working in the bike industry for very long, but we're still going to ask him, Maniki, what is the best part about working in the bike industry so far?
Well, I have to say, working in this industry I have to say the best thing so far is mainly the people I meet. It's a whole different kind of vibey people. You get these type of people, car people, and this. And I have to say, I always had a weird perspective about bikers, but now I see I was totally wrong. Bikers are actually so cool. So yeah, it will be the people.
You did a bit of work in the car industry, so would you say that the people who are buying bikes are people like that?
Yeah, mainly are, definitely.
And Maniki, what is the worst part? What has the worst part since you've been working?
The worst part I have to say is remembering the names and all those numbers, man. It's like GSX here, and then there's a YZ there, and it's a lot of letters and numbers. It feels like math, high school math all over again. So that will be the worst thing for now. But yeah, hopefully I can get that under the knie and yeah, sorted.
No, good, thank you. Good, thank you. And what would you say is the most difficult bike here for you to ride? You're probably not going to remember.
Yeah, what to say? There's one bike I keep on asking about. It's definitely one of the off-roads, but I can't remember exact. I will say actually the name of this thing, like the Husky is the Husky. Yeah, that's a weird name. Like I just called the Husky now. But yeah. I think people do call it the Husky, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay, cool. So, well, one thing done today. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Manny, for your attention.
Thank you.
My name's Jaco. I'm one of the mechanics here. And yeah,
Awesome. Jaco, what is the best part about working in the bike industry as a mechanic?
the best part of working in the bike industry as a mechanic is you learn a lot of new stuff. You experience a lot of new stuff, a lot of fun stuff, a lot of stuff that wants to make you debate your life choices, but yeah. But mostly it's just the experience, it's unexplainable. The things you learn, the things you experience, the bikes you work on, it's stuff you don't usually see in person, really. So for me, it's out of this world to experience the stuff I'm doing. The stuff I'm seeing on the bikes, it's stuff I've never seen. So every day it's something new. So yeah, that's
What would you say has been your favorite bike to work on?
my favorite bike in the shop or
Your favorite bike to work on?
to work on. My favorite bike to work on. I would say LTZ 400. There's a lot of space, but on the other side, it's easy to work on. I can get my hands in places where I can't get my hands in other places. So, and also it's easier for me to take out the carb and stuff, unlike the Honda CRFs. Yes, see.
And what would you say is the worst part about working in the bike industry as a mechanic?
Stripping Honda CRF. You have to strip the whole subframe just to get the carburetor out.
So my follow-up question was going to be what's your least favorite bike to work on?
Least favorite, it would be between Honda CRF and Husqvarna and KTM.
Really? I mean, Honda?
Yes.
Honda's are difficult to work on.
No man, no. You don't understand.
I expect that from Husqvarna and KTM bikes.
If you start stripping the subframe just to get the carb out, then that's another story, eh?
Yeah, sounds like a lot of work. But that's why we offer carb servicing, eh, Jaco?
Yeah.
Yeah, we would like carb servicing.
I'm not scared to do a carb service. I mean, you can bring your carburetor, I'll service it for you. Your bike would run like nothing before.
Yeah, even if he doesn't want to.
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks, Jaco. We'll catch you in the next one, brother.
See you.
Hi, my name is Ronnie, and I'm a shit talker. I like to talk shit. My name is Dewet, obviously the owner here at Dewet&Bikes. Does that answer your question?
So, you've been working in the bike industry and the car industry for a long time.
Yes.
What would you say is the worst part about working in the bike industry?
The worst. There's nothing worse than having a comeback on a bike, like having sold a bike, and then you want your customers to be happy, and then getting the negative feedback, because we try and pride ourselves, and we got to accept that we're dealing with some older models, here and there. I'll say, that's the worst. That's really the worst, having unhappy clients.
So, to summarize it, and not being able to please a customer.
100% correct.
And what would you say is the best part about
Oh, there's a lot.
your favorite?
Favorite is obviously going back to to the opposite of the negative, turning that into a positive, seeing clients smiles, having happy clients the moment they receive their bike. And then mostly and mainly having this, like, there's always an adventure, new stock, a new bike, excitement about what the condition is like. I think that excites me, and that's a positive. Yeah, I'd say.
For sure. Awesome. Thank you very much, Veta. We'll catch you guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Job. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Sweet.
I'm Sheldon. I'm the mechanic here at Dewet&Bikes.
Alright. So Shelly, you have been working on bikes for a very long time now. Now, with that being said, what for you is the worst part about working in the bike industry as a mechanic?
The worst part is getting home and you want to sit on the couch and your wife tells you you're dirty, go bath first.
It's coming home and having to relax.
You just wanted 5 minutes to relax, but hey, no relaxing. Yeah.
So what would you say is your least favorite bike to work on?
KTMs. The space on them is so narrow you don't get your hands in. It's an open bike, but it's too small space to work in, especially if you have to go inside to the motor and that.
And Shelly, what is your favorite part about working now?
You see their stuff every day. Ride them, taste them. It's just a different level.
But bikes are a big part of your life.
It's my whole life. I've never driven a car. I can drive cars, but bikes my whole life.
So it's just purely being around what you love.
It's what I love. It's what I do.
Shelly, thank you very much, brother. Catch you in the next one.
See you.
Hi, my name is David. I'm a driver here. I do many things here. I can't explain what kind of. I do many things here. Even to repair.
Yeah, David is the ground. Okay?
Yes.
That's a little bit of everything there. David, what is your favorite part about working here in the bike industry?
Oh, my favorite sport here, ne?
Your favorite part?
My favorite part. Yeah, especially when the custom come in and then I see there is no assistance. I like that because of is the more we learn, we learn. Especially when you're talking about, I was talking with the customer. How can you help the customer? Because sometimes people are busy. You understand? They are all occupied, and then you have to help. So it's one of my favorite jobs.
So you like to help the customer?
Yes.
That's awesome. And what would you say is your worst part? Worst part about working?
The worst part about this job here, I must make sure, especially when customer buy a bike here, is happy. First thing, the bike is clean. Second thing, the bike must be started nicely, must drive nicely. The customer must be happy all the time. This is my favorite thing, that one. Okay. This is the one that I like with this job here.
Okay, and what do you not like? What you don't like?
Oh, what I don't like is, when especially somebody must go and maybe help the customer, sometimes in the mood, like a Blue Monday, People are tired, are coming to the weekend, and people is not flex. So is feeling tired early in the morning. Is the one that if feel bored. I feel bored about this one. Because when you sell, if you are a salesman or you work here around on Dewet&Bikes, you must always be flexible. You must be flex.
So you don't like it when people are in a good mood?
Excuse?
You like it when people are all in a good mood?
Yes. When you come here, you leave your mood there when you came there.
Yeah.
Then you come here, you must be flex all the time. Is that what I want? And then but since you are busy here, and then since you are working here, I didn't see many people with the mood. Yeah, just because it's the one that I don't like. Yeah, we must always be on the good condition.
Thank you very much, brother. We're gonna catch you in the next one, eh?
I appreciate my chumba. Goodbye.